Have you ever juggled grocery bags while struggling to unlock your front door? Or had to rush home just to let someone in? In 2025, there's a smarter way to secure your home: smart door locks. These modern locks offer keyless entry, remote control, and built-in security features that not only make life more convenient, but also more secure. Whether you're upgrading your smart home setup or just tired of fumbling with keys, this video will walk you through the 5 best smart door locks you can buy right now. From fingerprint access to palm vein scanning and even built-in video doorbells, we've selected the smartest, most reliable models that combine cutting-edge tech with peace of mind. Let's dive in and help you find the right lock for your home. Number 1. Genfino Smart Key Lock. Perfect for general home use with multiple access options. The Genfino Smart Lock is a sleek and weather-resistant device built with a strong zinc alloy frame and an easy-to-read OLED display. It supports 4 unlocking methods: app, keypad, physical key, and IC card. You can share temporary access, and its anti-peep password and auto-lock function protect against unauthorized attempts. With real-time entry logs and long battery life, this smart lock keeps your home secure and your life stress-free. Number 2. Wellik Fingerprint Smart Lock. Perfect for quick fingerprint access for families or shared homes. If you want fast, secure entry, the Wellik lock delivers lightning-fast fingerprint recognition and encrypts your data with bank-grade privacy. You can store up to 100 fingerprints and 20 RFID cards, ideal for large households or small offices. With an IP65 weatherproof rating, a full year of battery life, and backup power via a portable charger, this lock is as reliable as it is convenient. Number 3. TCLD2 Pro Palm Vein Smart Lock. Perfect for advanced biometric security with AI learning. This futuristic lock uses palm vein recognition to scan unique patterns in your hand, even if your hands are wet or dirty. With multiple unlock methods, including app, voice, keypad, and traditional key, it offers unmatched flexibility. It also supports remote access, sends instant alerts, and features an IP55 waterproof design, 10,000 mAh battery, and integration with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's privacy-focused and ideal for tech-forward homes. Number 4. YUTHI Famalock S3 Max. Perfect for biometric security with built-in video monitoring. This smart lock combines palm vein recognition with a 2K HD camera, allowing you to unlock with a simple wave while also keeping visual tabs on who's at your door. With onboard storage, face detection, instant alerts, and automatic locking, it's a top-tier option for security-conscious users who want smart surveillance built in. Number 5. Thorbolt X1 Smart Lock. Perfect for Apple ecosystem users. If you're an Apple user, the Thorbolt X1 is a perfect fit. It works with Apple HomeKey, so you can unlock the door with just a tap from your iPhone or Apple Watch, even without an internet connection. You also get fingerprint access, passcodes, voice control via Siri, and a physical key as backup. Thread technology ensures quick response, and the lock runs for over a year on standard AA batteries.